I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 of the top profitable keywords, Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand, that you can start creating books for, that are low content, medium content, even high content books. And we're going to talk a little bit about how to get started. And we're going to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords in today's video using the 4 free Chrome extensions. Now, just before we get started, if you enjoy videos such as these, where we break down and reveal profitable Amazon KDP keywords as well as strategies to make passive income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our daily videos. We do daily videos around 5 p.m. Helsinki finish time. So let me know if you are interested in more videos revealing Amazon KDP keywords. Just before we get started as well, there are 2 free trials for Canva Pro as well as Creative Fabrica All Access 30-day free trial that you can take advantage of, linked in the description box below. Now that has been said, let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day has amazing profitability capabilities, and it is a daily couples therapy workbook. Daily couples therapy workbook has a keyword niche score of 69 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, as well as a total result under 1,000, and the total results are 788. Also, the average bestseller rank is under the 300,000, 400,000 mark that we would like it to be. It is under that, and it is averaging 51,730. Also, the average reviews are 2,086. Average price is $14.53, just the way we like it. And there is a confirmation by another Chrome extension that we are using, which is Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, and it is giving us a number 8, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now, Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension has a keyword niche score scale between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, so I'm quite happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements the 69 by self-publishing Titans. Now, what you're going to do here, you're basically creating a workbook that is going to be a daily workbook to do with couples therapy, helping couples process their emotions, helping couples to connect, helping couples with communication and trust. So it could be a set of prompt questions, it could be a set of activities, it could be a set of strategies to help couples with their therapy and to help them kind of unravel and heal those issues that they're dealing with as well. Now, it could be basically set in a planner way. It could be basic 90-day couples therapy workbook where it would be inside the interior would be lined sheets, as well as a prompt question for each day and a motivational quote, or maybe a strategy to help for each day for them to focus on how could they improve the relationship. Now, you could do it 12-week, you could do it a 30-day, 90-day, 60-day, you can even do it 365 days. The more you're able to offer in terms of quantity and quality, the better it is your book will be selling in. Now, also, if you are able to, and if you do have the capabilities, and if you would like to dive in further into this niche, in the last video, I've also highlighted 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are related to the couples therapy workbook niche, but they're sub niche to do with other certain kind of sub elements that we can deal with. So on with the first keyword, let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. And the second keyword is content strategy workbook, and we have a keyword niche score of 27 by self-publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which I'm happy with. I'm going to stick with number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro because of the results in the data section. As you can see here in the top bar, first of all, we have the total results under 1,000. The bestseller rank, although it is quite high, I do understand that, but this keyword allows you to diversify your portfolio, so it's not too high and it's not too low. So the average bestseller rank is sitting at 829,040. I wouldn't focus fully on this keyword, yet I'd create at least one book that allows me to diversify my KDP portfolios and still be able to focus on other keywords that are much more profitable, but I wanted to share that with you. So it has an average bestseller rank of 829,040 and an average reviews of 313, an average price of $20.56. There is books that are being sold under this keyword. This is a niche, and it's quite a updated and quite a profitable niche when you consider that there are a lot of people buying books under this, and mostly content creators, people who are beginners at content creation, and they're looking for books or a workbook to help them, assist them and guide them on their content strategy. So this is something that you could create. It could be a workbook that contains prompt questions to help. It could be a set of different activity sheets that allows people and content creators to plan out their content strategy. You could also specialize a niche down according to different platforms, such as like TikTok content strategy workbook, YouTube content strategy workbook, Pinterest, and so forth. So diversify according to the platform, and then you could also diversify according to the industry. For example, content beauty content strategy workbook, where it would be advice and exercises and activities specifically for the content creators that are working in the beauty industry, or that are working in the business industry, or that are in the finance or in the gaming industry, to help them kind of plan out their gaming or whatever industry it is strategy. And that is a really good way to cut down on the bestseller rank being a little bit too high as well. So I wouldn't personally be concerned about the bestseller rank being high, because that could easily be cut through and dominated based on the niching down according to different platforms and different industries, and offering customized sub-niched advice for people targeted towards a specific platform or a specific field of content creation. So now that we have talked about the second keyword, you could also go ahead and, just before we head over to the third keyword, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the keyword with you, the content strategy workbook, and see if there is anything that could help us in terms of the interiors. And let's have a look here. We are going to filter according to KDP interiors, and we have a social media planner and a social media planner as well. And also we have a brand strategy workbook, which is similar to content strategy, but it's more brand, kind of building your brand rather than building your content. So you could also download this if you have a Canva Creative Fabrica All Access subscription. If not, then you can also access it linked in the description box below, a 30-day free trial to an All Access Creative Fabrica subscription. Download the interior, change it accordingly to customize it according to the content, the type of content, the type of platform you want, and then upload to Amazon KDP. And I wish you all the best with that. I can provide some strategies and some actual step-by-step tutorial. If you want, just comment in the comment section below. So the third keyword for the day is SaaS for beginners. Now, SaaS for beginners has a keyword, a niche score of 45 and a total results of 361. So it's under 1,000 being the total results. Also, the average bestseller rank is similar to the previous one, 839,173, and the average reviews are 517. Average price is $22.76. So the keyword niche score provided by Self-Publishing Titans is 45, and it beautifully complements the number 6 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 6, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, this is more for kind of a programming niche where you could create a SaaS for beginners book, and then you could also create a workbook, an activity book, anything to help beginners kind of understand the world of SaaS programming. If you're not familiar with that, you could easily do research using ChatGPT, using Google as well, to do research to find out what SaaS really is and what kind of information you can be willing to create a book for. Alternatively, you could also create content for such a book. For example, just talk about the fundamentals associated with the SaaS programming. Also, you could outsource the topic to a writer on Fiverr, for example, and get your book written that way by outsourcing to a writer on Fiverr or any other writing platform that you rely on. Now, books are selling under this niche. Then again, I'm not going to fully depend on such a keyword because of the high bestseller rank. So I'd create a book about this, and then a workbook, and then move on to the next keyword, or the next profitable keyword, or the next niche as well. Not give all my attention and time to this one because of the high bestseller rank. Yet you don't want to completely ignore it, because there is a lot of potential and room to diversify your portfolio, and you never know what books are going to sell. And I'm personally happy with the keyword niche score by both self-publishing titans as well as Amazon Scout Pro, and I'm also happy with the total results being under 1,000, which is great potential right over here. Let's have a look at the fourth and final keyword for the day. Now it shows promising results for the fourth and final keyword for the day, is UGC, content creator. UCG content creator is basically a user generated content creator. So it's a person who works online, who generates content, who provides a user generated content and sells it to brands, or brands request that feedback or that review from that person, and they get paid for their service. So this is a new thing. It's basically a new passive income stream for a lot of content creators. So I highly advise you get on top of it. And people are looking for books and workbooks and activity sheets and prompts and stuff to help them navigate their way through this new passive income stream that has a lot of potential. We have a keyword niche score of 31 by self-publishing titans, and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which you can see right at the bottom left corner, which I'm happy with. I'm happy with the number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Also, the total results are 142, and they are currently under 1,000, and the bestseller rank is under 300,000, sitting at an average of 138,726. I hope you enjoyed today's video.